Hello students, today we will study in this class inverse function and example related to inverse function. If you get more benefit of this video, then you watch previous videos. Okay? Inverse function. If a function f such that a to b and another function g which is defined from b to a. There are two functions, one f and second g. F defined from a to b and function g defined from b to a are two functions such that GOF, composition of FOG equal IA. IA, it means identity function, and FOG equal IB. So then function g is said to be inverse of function f. Inverse of function f. It is also denoted by f is to minus 1. It means there are two functions f and g. Function f defined from a to b and function g defined from b to a. These are two functions. Follow these conditions that GOF equal to IA and FOG equal IB. Here IA and IB are two identity functions. Its values come in A, the domain of f, and IB value of this lie in B, and B is here domain of G. Okay? If these conditions satisfy here, GOF equal IA and FOG equal IB, so then we will say function G is said to be inverse of function f, and it is also denoted by f is to minus 1. Okay? After this, not if inverse of a function exists, then it's said to be invertible. It means if inverse of any function exists anywhere, तो then that is said to be invertible. किसी फंक्शन का इनवर्स अगर एग्जिस्ट करता है तो दैट फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी इनवर्टिबल. सेकंड, इफ फंक्शन f is invertible, if function f is invertible, then it must be 1 1 as well as onto 1 1 as well as onto. If function f is invertible, so then it must be 1 1 as well as onto. Third, if function f is 1 1 and onto, so then it must be invertible. If function is 1 1 and onto, then it must be invertible. फंक्शन 1 1 और onto है तो it will be invertible. वो फंक्शन invertible भी होगा. It is clear? So these are conditions for inverse of a function. After that, example related to this. Now example, let f such that r positive to closed open interval 5 infinitive given by fx 9x square plus 6x minus 5 show that fx is invertible with inverse f is to minus 1 y equal root y plus 6 minus 1 whole upon 3. First we have to prove this function fx is invertible. So for that we have to prove fx is 1 1 as well as onto. After that we have to find inverse of this function, and inverse of this function will be this. Okay. Here fx equal 9x square plus 6x minus 5. This is the value of fx 411. For 1 1 condition, we have fx1 equal fx2 for all x1 and x2 belongs to r positive. R positive, it means x1 and x2 are two positive real numbers. Now by definition of function, in place of fx1 we put in definition of fx x1 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 equal 9x1 square x2 square 6 plus 6x2 minus 5. By definition of fx, we put these values by definition of fx. 5 to 5 be cancelled. After that, transfer these terms to this side. 9x1 square minus 9x2 square plus 6x1 minus 6x2 equal 0. On taking 9 as common, so x1 minus x2 square and this side x1 minus x2 equal 0. x1 square minus x2 square can be written this way: x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 plus 6 x1 minus x2 equal 0. We apply here a square minus b square formula. Now we take x1 minus x2 as common. The left terms are 9x1 plus x2 plus 6 equal 0. This way, there are two factors and product of these two factors be equal to 0. It means it is possible only when any one factor out of these be equal to 0. If x1 minus x2 equal 0, so then x1 equal x2. If we consider first factor be equal to 0, so then x1 be equal to x2. If nine x1 plus x2 plus 6 equal 0, so then x1 plus x2 equal minus 6 upon 9. After simplify these, 3 2 ja 3 3 ja, the 2 upon 3, x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 equal to minus 2 upon 3. But here x1 and x2 are two positive real numbers, and on adding x1 plus x2 will not be equal to minus 2 upon 3. x1 x2 आपके पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हैं, ऐड करने के बाद नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकते. इट मीन इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. It is not possible. Therefore, one condition is possible: x1 equal x2. In this way, we can say this function is one function. Here x1 x2 are equal due to this fx1 and fx2 both are equal. एलिमेंट इक्वल हैं, their images भी इक्वल हैं. Due to this function fx is 1 1. So therefore fx is 1 1 function. It is clear? After that, for onto in this case we consider fx equal 9x square plus 6x minus 5 equal y, and this y lie in closed open interval this. Now we find value of x in term of y. 9x plus 6x minus 5 equal y, or x square plus 6x minus 5 minus y equal 0. Okay, if we take minus h common here, so then it become 5 plus y. Now it is a quadratic equation. Find the value of x using quadratic formula. Minus b in place of b 6 plus minus root b square, that is 6 square 36, so b square minus 4ac in place of c minus 5 plus y, minus 5 plus y, it become, due to this minus sign, it become here positive upon 2a. Okay, now minus 6 plus 36, and here 9 4 are 36, 5 plus y upon 18. On taking 36 as common from this root, so it become 6, and here in root 1 plus 5 plus y are left. After this, x, we take here 6 as common, so x equal 6 minus 1 plus minus y plus 6, y plus 5 plus 1, it becomes 6 upon 18, 6 3 is 18. So this way x is minus 1 plus minus root y plus 6 upon 3. There are two values of x, one minus 1 minus root plus 6 upon 3, it not belong to R positive. It means this value of x is negative and x belong to R positive. Due to this value of x is not possible, and x equal minus 1 plus root y plus 6 upon 3, or x equal root y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3, it is belong to R positive. Here, after putting values of y from this closed open interval, so then we find value of x. Such value of x, after finding this, we find all values of x through this. So all these values lie R positive. It means there is no value in कोडोमेन विदाउट प्री इमेज. कोडोमेन के अंदर कोई भी ऐसा वैल्यू नहीं है जिसका प्री इमेज डोमेन के अंदर नहीं है. ड्यू टू दिस, देयरफॉर फंक्शन एफ एक्स is on to. Function fx is on to function. In this way, this function fx is 1 as well as on to. So therefore fx is invertible. Okay, fx is invertible. Now we have to find inverse of this function. For inverse, of this, we have considered fx equal y. We consider fx equal y. So then x equal f inverse y, or f inverse y equal to x, and now put the value of x from this portion, y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. So this is the inverse of this function fx, which we have to prove. Okay, in this way we can say that this function fx is invertible, and inverse of this is f inverse equal y, f inverse y equal root y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, after that, in next class, if you like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, you follow Telegram Trigo Academy, link description में है.